If you want to speak English in 2026 with confidence, without fear, without confusion, and without feeling shy, then this video is for you. Because today I will share a simple step-by-step guide that beginners can really follow and use in daily life. Before we start, please like this video, share it with someone who is learning English, and subscribe to this channel, because here we learn English in a simple and practical way. In this video, you will learn 5 simple steps that can help you speak English in 2026, even if you are a beginner, even if you feel weak, and even if you think English is difficult. Step 1. Think in simple English. The first and most important step to speak English in 2026 is to stop translating everything from your language and start thinking in very simple English. Because English speaking becomes easy when your brain accepts English as a normal language, not as a difficult subject. Start with very small thoughts like, I am happy, I am tired, or I need water, and slowly your brain will feel comfortable with English. Step 2. Speak every day, even alone. The second step is to speak English every day, even if you are alone, because speaking is a skill, and skills improve only with practice, not with watching or reading only. You can talk to yourself, describe your day, or repeat simple sentences aloud. And this daily habit will slowly remove fear and improve confidence. Step 3. Learn useful sentences, not everything. To speak English in 2026, you do not need to learn everything. You only need to learn useful sentences that you can use in real life, because common sentences are repeated again and again in daily conversations. Focus on daily English like greetings, questions, and simple answers, and your fluency will improve naturally. Step 4. Listen more, understand more. Listening is very important because when you listen to English daily, your brain learns pronunciation, rhythm, and natural speaking style, even without effort. Listen to simple English videos, podcasts, or short clips, and do not worry if you do not understand everything at first. Step 5. Be patient and consistent. The final step is patience and consistency, because English is not learned in one day. But if you practice a little every day, you will see big changes in 1 year. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and keep moving forward. If you follow these 5 steps honestly, 2026 can be the year you start speaking English with confidence. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and keep learning step by step.